Another powerful feature in Dimension is decal system. It's very nice. For example, if you insert an object in your scene, and as you can see, you can go to this part of the asset images, and as you can see, we have the background images and the simple image. As here, you can insert your decal. These are default decal, but you can insert your own decals. It's very interesting. It's very simple. You can just drag and drop your decal directly on this object. Loading, and as you can see, this is our decal. Nice. You can click and drag to change its position. Here you can change the dimension. As you can see, if you click and drag in this direction, there are you can change them in different direction. But if you want to scale it proportionally, you can hold and shift and then click and drag. It's nice. You can insert your another decal on top of other decal. As you can see, they are ordering very easy, and you can see it here in the scene manager. If you click anywhere, we are going to the main scene. But for seeing the decals sitting, you have to, as you can see, they are not selected. You have to double click on your object. Don't forget, you have to double click on object, and as you can see, you are going to the material part. Here is our foot point. Double click on it, or you can click on this icon. You're going to the material things that snap to our model. The always the button thing here is a base material. If you go to, for example, the material and insert a material to your object, as you can see, the material object will be changed just below any object, any graphic here. And here, the top of this material is our decal, and another decal is here. If you want to change the order, you can simply click and drag them, and you can change their order very easy. Nice. Another setting here is if you click in here, you can insert your image. You can insert any image from your PC. Interesting. For example, here it is our decal. For example, this image, you can simply click and drag it here. This is our own decal. Nice. And you can click and drag to change it. Nice. And then you can delete them if you want. Here you can, with this, if you go most over that, you can click and drag to rotate your decal in any direction that you want. And for more accurate rotation, here you can rotate it manually here, change its scale. As you can see, the scale is locked because it is depend on X and Y. If you want to not scale it proportionally, you can delink it. As you can see, you can link or delink that. If it is above something, you can change its opacity. As you can see, it's very easy. This is an opacity, look at. And another thing, interesting thing, as you can see, you can change it to metallic. And now our logo or decal are metallic. You can see it. You can increase it the higher number, and you can add some roughness to your decal. Nice. See, metallic. You can, as you can see, we are full metallic object here. In this direction, you can better see it. In this software here, you can assign your blackened image map. It means you can map your things, your metallicness, your material. You will see that more in material. Okay, just a jump from that, but let's see it. It's very simple. If you click in here, the window will be open, and you can drag and drop your map here. For example, these black and white images, you can use them as a map. In a black area, it means it is 0% of that things, that comment, that material. And the white will be 100%, and the gray are in between them. For example, we click and drag it here. Now, as you can see, our metallicness is mapping. It means if you, for example, in this area, we have more metallic, and in the black area, we don't have any metallicness. It is in all software at the same. And of course, roughness. You can get Ctrl Z. Nice. Okay, let's try some another settings. Here, the placement is decal. You can make it fill. It means you can, here you can scale it. As you can see, this decal is fill to all object body. It's the fill direction. It's repeated, or you can mirror it. As you can see, it's mirror in directions. It's offset. How many repeats do you want? You can change it. You can rotate it. Nice. You can do anything with it. Change opacity, roughness, and metallicness. Okay, as you can see, it's a simple use to in decal in dimension. It's a powerful system. And of course, you can insert your texture. For example, going here, you can, for example, add another interesting texture. Click and drag on it. It's automatically assigned as a decal. You can change it to the fill and fill it and bring it below everything. So with this feature, you can directly make your own texture.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.